Welcome back to Montana this morning, and a special guest with us this morning on the line, and we're doing this via satellite today. Dr. Paul Hertz, who's the Director of Astrophysics Science Division at NASA headquarters, is with us. An exciting discovery. Let's walk us through it a little bit, will you?
My pleasure. Yesterday we announced that two very compact stars had collided in a galaxy 130 million light years away. The collision was so powerful that it caused ripples in space-time that were detected here on Earth as gravitational waves. The resulting explosion caused the fusion of the matter in the explosion to create heavy elements such as gold and platinum.
All right, so you're saying then we got this release of heavy metals into the atmosphere. I know gravitational waves have made a lot in the news lately with the Nobel Prize. Can we talk a little about that research? And I know there's a Montana connection to that as well.
Certainly. The United States has built the world's most sensitive gravitational wave observatory. Its name is LIGO, and it's located in both Louisiana and Washington State. The LIGO science team spans the globe and does include researchers in the state of Montana at Montana State University. LIGO can detect ripples in space-time caused by colliding black holes, or in this case for the first time, two colliding compact stars. And the detection of gravitational waves confirms a key prediction that Albert Einstein made over 100 years ago.
Very interesting. So there's a lot of basis in science. For the average guy, does this mean anything for them?
Well, it helps us to understand where we came from. We've always wanted to know, how did the Earth and the solar system arise after the chaos of the Big Bang? And the Big Bang only left hydrogen and helium in the universe, but our world is made up of other elements. And this explosion allowed us to see for the first time where many of the heavier elements in the periodic table are formed in the universe. We think that all the gold in the universe, for instance, is formed in explosions of this type.
So in reality then, the gold that's in my wedding band could have come from a similar type of explosion.
Absolutely, that's what scientists think. After an explosion like this, the gold is spread out into the interstellar medium, and from that interstellar medium, future stars and planets are formed, and they will have, as part of their formation, gold in them. And then later on, intelligent beings like ourselves can mine it out of the ground and create wedding rings.
Well, when you say intelligent beings, let's just speak for yourself this morning, Dr. Hertz. But thanks very much for being with us today. That's exciting news, and we appreciate you sharing it with us.
I appreciate your letting me talk to you, and if your listeners would like more information, they can go to nasa.gov/Fermi, F-E-R-M-I.
All right, I'll be checking it out myself. Thanks very much for your time this morning.